G'day, how's it going? I'm Wombat, I hike in Kyushu, Japan. Today I'm at one of my favorite spots, Hiraodai, for Mountain Day. I want to check out Seiryukutsu, Azure Dragon Cavern. This course is pretty minor, but anywhere you go in Hiraodai, it's beautiful. I love this place. Should be just up here. Here we are, Seiryukutsu. Alright, I'm gonna get my flashlight out and let's go down there. The name Seiryu comes from the Shugendo faith and their belief in a dragon god. Inside the entrance is Tokakuji Temple's Okunoin, or inner shrine. Here, Toyotama Hime is worshipped, represented by the rock on the altar. There is a legend here that Emperor Keiko, said to be 10 foot 2, defeated Tsuchigumo here. Extending more than 2 kilometers, Seiryukutsu is Hiraodai's longest cave. It's like a maze inside with its many branches. Fossils of an extinct species of elephant and giant deer were discovered here. There's another entrance to the cave up there. The deep natural and cultural history of this cave is why it's protected as a natural monument by the Japanese government. This is the best place to come in summer. So cool down there. So that was Seiryukutsu. Awesome spot. Next I'm gonna go find a place with a nice view for some breakfast. Let's do it. This is it, Hirotani Hill. Well, the weather's not cooperating, so not much of a view here. But there's one more spot I want to see. I think it's called Devil Rock or Demon Rock, and it should be interesting. This is pretty cool. Woo! You can see rings here for rock climbing. They're all over these rocks down here. That looks fun. Okay guys, I'm gonna head back down to the car now. So thanks for joining me on this mountain day. Hope you had a good mountain day. check my Mountain Day video from last year too. And if you haven't subscribed already, do that. Like this video. And I'll see you in the next hike. And right after that, I just slipped and fell on my ass. Good ending.